Are you looking for the best vacuum pumps in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best vacuum pumps that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. At number 5, Air Vacuum Pump with a C Refrigeration Kit. Extreme Power US brand prides itself in many top vacuum pumps. It's also appreciated by novices and experts and is very basic in style. This makes fitting and using it straightforward. Moreover, it's fast and will promptly remove all air, moisture, and contaminants from the system. It does so without making lots of noise or vibrating too much. It manages pressure as high as 3.0 CFM with no difficulty, hence okay for use whether large or small systems. It also comes with a nice scale for extra efficiency and also to quicken up the process. It can be operated with a cooling system, car A, C, wine degassing, milk processing, as well as others. Moreover, it features modern technology, which also is really efficient, and also operates on a 115-volt basis. The item has all the required materials and basic guidelines. Therefore, it will be ready to use in a short time after unpacking. The unit is extremely effective despite being very basic. The good look and layout, in addition to being lightweight, makes handling and movements much easier. It's also compact to conserve space during use as well as in storage. At number 4, Electrical Vacuum Pumps. The Dorman vacuum pump should be what you prefer. It's a small and compact piece and also works pretty well. Also, it comes ready to use and you'll find simple, clear instructions to guide you. It's appropriate for most systems out there and delivers top performance, better than most options in a similar class. This assures you of easy analysis and also safety. More to that, it comes with 3 installing grommets for a firm hold and to reduce the vibration. Since it has all you need, you won't need to go to the stores to buy extra devices, making this even more cost-effective. Furthermore, the grommets are of high quality and are made of robust materials. They help to keep the vibration low throughout the operation. The radial ball bearing handles the load better and this enhances the longevity of the device. This product has a long lifespan and requires little maintenance. Also, it supports most systems well and is very basic in design as well as operation. On top of that, it weighs less than 13 ounces, hence carrying as well as dealing with it isn't a challenge. And although it offers decent service, professional results, and is of high quality, it's still among the most affordable options out there. Therefore, you won't need to spend any cash. It's suitable for amateurs and pros as well. At number 3, Economy Vacuum Pump with 2-stage. With the Robinair vacuum pump, getting rid of unwanted air and moisture is easier and takes lesser time. The unit works quickly and is easy to use as it is extremely simple. In addition, it comes with a great built-in technology that can help the work done. It works in many situations and supports most HVAC systems in the market. These include a central cooling, cold room, refrigeration, car aircon, and many more. Moreover, it is small, compact, and also lightweight. The pump works fine with most and has a straightforward style, hence takes a very short time as well as effort to connect to a unit. Inside the package, you'll find the necessary attachments as well as instructions. These speed up the task and also save time and effort. It's a very flexible pump that compatible with various refrigerants and systems. It can run greatly thanks the oil capacity which is at 7.5 ounce. This means better results within a shorter time and efficiency too. Moreover, it remains firm and has minimal vibration due to the non-skid feet. It deals with up to 5.0 CFM and for easy viewing and convenience, you also get a clear sight glass. At number 2, Single-Stage Rotary Vane Vacuum Pump. The Kozyvaku TA350 is the final item in the review of the best vacuum pump. It is suitable for many heating and cooling systems around. These include central air conditioning, car air conditioning, AC, as well as milk processing plants. The lightweight and compact style provides easy holding and carrying and makes the use convenient. Also, it features a direct drive motor for simple and easy starting and better efficiency. It will not come apart or break down easily and also lasts for long. What's more, it's immune to corrosion, rust and keeps its beautiful appeal and integrity for a period of time. And thanks to the viewing windows, you can easily check the level of oil to prevent damaging it due to dry running. It does not vibrate that much during usage and likewise, it's not noisy. Moreover, it's a steady piece that also runs cool thanks to the high-volume cooling fan. Moreover, it is a long-lasting and durable choice that can deal with the pressure and also procedure well. And built from cast lightweight aluminum, you are more certain of its resilience and reliability. At number 1. Vacuum Pump and Manifold Gauge Set. With the BACOENG air pump, removing contaminants from the HVAC system such as moisture or air is an easier task. Thanks to the basic design and solid engineering, it functions quite well and is also easy to utilize. It has a capacity of 3.96 CFM. The device works okay in many setups, both domestic as well as commercial. It's ideal for a fridge or for a vehicle cooling system, central cooling system, and far more. Furthermore, it operates with standard noise and loud and also doesn't become too hot even after long operation. You also get a clear easy view sight glass. And because of the multi-function scale, you'll work with different systems and refrigerants without a problem. Consumers love simplicity and accuracy and also since it is equipped with attachments. As a result, you will save money and also time too. In addition to that, the machine is flexible and operates well with various cooling agents, refrigerants. The sealing system is amazing and it can eliminate contaminants while keeping the surrounding, environment, people, and pets safe. Moreover, the case is built of a robust anodized body that is made of aluminum to bear with the use, vibration, abrasion, bangs, or any other aspects. It's a quick pump and also will take care of large volumes quickly too. Thank you for watching guys, I hope you like this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure a like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will back to you as soon as possible.